Alright, now we're recording.
Okay, so what was your question?
What have you been up to? What are you doing?
Well,
Having to do?
At the minute I'm fighting a strap, but suddenly our tow vehicle for our travel trailer started misfiring and engine light came on, so we took it to a dealership. They diagnosed it as coils needed replacing and spark plugs needed replacing. Back in the day when I was working on our motors when we were first married, there would be one coil for a whole motor. Nowadays there's a coil per spark plug. So that was 8 coils that were needed. And on this particular engine, because it's so big at 6.2 liters, to make it fuel efficient and to improve the emissions, they have 2 spark plugs per cylinder. So for an 8-cylinder motor, that meant 16 spark plugs. 8 on the top and 8 on the bottom. The 8 on the bottom are difficult to get to, as you can imagine. You've got to pull the fender wells out of the truck to get to the 8 on the bottom. So that's what I've been doing a few hours a day, every day, since for a week now. I'm skipping a couple of days for various things we need to do done, and I'm almost finished now. That's good.